Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I just finished the FST Level 1 course, and it was a very profound experience for me. Anybody that's hesitating to think about whether or not this might be for them, I highly encourage you to take this on. It's a journey. I had a profound, life-changing moment. And although I thought that I was veering off onto different roads and lost in my life, this place, I knew in my gut feeling that this place is somewhere I needed to be, but I had no idea how much it was going to actually help me. And I have gone through a journey just in the short time span of a week of healing that I haven't been able to do for years. And it's profoundly changed me. I'm lighter. I know that I can now bring this positivity into the future, and the direction and the trajectory of my life has entirely changed just because of 1 week that I spent with this group of amazing people. I don't have a single regret, and I only wish that I found it sooner.